Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers. And today's unboxing slash review video is these type of hats for the derby hat made by the Different Touch company that made those high quality hats in all different type of styles. So before I open this one up, let's just show the side and the back of the box. Alright, there we go. So we have these type of hats that are made by Different Touch company. Very cool. It also said 100% natural wool from the sheep. Finest quality of wool hats. Very, very cool. Now, what I'm just going to do is to open this box and show you the derby hat. There's some little cardboard that secures the hat. And there it is. Very cool style hat. Let's just get out of the bag. And ta-da! There's the hat. Looks really cool. It also comes with a removable feather, so I'll just leave it at that. It also comes with a little stuff right here that helps to fit onto your head, is where the hat that should be. Very, very cool. It feels nice and soft, made out of wool for the sheep. Since it's because it's official, real quality of the hat, not like the fake ones or cosplay ones. It's official made type of hat. So yeah. And I plan to use this type of hat for some dressing up maybe. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this hat? And did you know that Chuck E. Cheese used to wear this type of hat around 1977 until around 1990s? It's really cool. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this hat right here, let me know what you think. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more future videos that I'll be working on sometime soon. So, yeah. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I would highly recommend to try these type of any kind of hats made by a very cool company, which is also called, so let me just put the hat over here and lower the box just a little. There you go. It's made by Different Touch company, one of the most high quality companies that made those type of things too. So I would highly recommend to try these type of hats because it's really cool and very awesome to try. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon for more videos, and I'll stay tuned for more videos, and bye for now.